Still recovering from having its budget cut in half, the Mobile Bay Convention and Visitors Bureau makes a big announcement.
An announcement Mayor Sam Jones says is proof that the CVB needs to be fully funded. Fox 10 News reporter April Douglas has the story.
Mobile is known for being a rainy city, and now it will also be known for something else. The first U.S. city to host the World Leisure Congress, beating out places like Melbourne, Australia. The World Leisure Congress event is expected to attract 4,500 people and generate $20 million for the port city.
This is a world convention, and it's the very first time ever in the United States, and Mobile, Alabama was selected.
The Mobile Bay Visitors and Convention Bureau made the announcement Monday. It wrapped up the deal despite the City Council cutting $1.5 million from its budget. President and CEO of the CVB says there is no way it could have attracted this type of event with a slashed budget.
Absolutely not. This has been done over 7 or 8 months ago before we even knew I had our budget slashed. So, these events they don't come to Mobile just because they think they like Mobile. We have to really sell and market it.
The mayor says he doesn't know of any other organization where you can cut 50% of its budget and it remain effective. Mayor Jones plans to ask the council to restore funding to the Mobile Bay CVB.
We will be making some recommendation. We haven't come up with an exact figure. I'd like to talk to some of the council members and explain to them the importance, and I think this lends itself to the importance of this.
City Council member Reggie Copeland raised flack over trips Maisel made on behalf of the CVB. Maisel says you have to spend money to make money.
I may have to go out of town to get another one of these, and if we'd have stayed here, we wouldn't get things like the World Leisure Congress.
And Mobile will be the first city in the nation to get it. In Mobile, April Douglas, Fox 10 News.
And the World Leisure Congress will take place in September 2014.